Welcome to a quick video on how to use the green screen feature in Wevideo. When you first open Wevideo, click on Create to make a new project. To do this, you either need a green screen or you can use the background feature within the Wevideo Chrome extension. For this, I'll use the extension. In the extension, click on Webcam and then Allow Access. Once your webcam is on, click on Backgrounds and then choose the green colored one. Now you should see yourself with a green background.
After you've recorded the video with the green background, go back to the project editor within Wevideo and put the video into video track 1. To select what you would like to do with your background, you can either upload or choose one of the videos that Wevideo has. To do this, add another video track by clicking on the drop-down menu next to track and choosing video. Now put the video you want in your background into this track. After it's inserted, double-click on the video. It's the clip editing menu. Here, click King and use the color dropper to select the color on the background. Now you can edit the settings further if needed. Then click Done to go back to the video editor, and now your video should be transparent.
To edit how your video appears, double-click on yourself and you will be able to resize it to make it fit however you want. After you resize it, make sure to click Done. Once your video is ready, click Export so you can save the video to your computer.